Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu. OpenAI Agents SDK, Episode 18 of 18. Your users do not just want to read text as it types out on the screen. They want to see exactly what the AI is doing behind the scenes. If you are trying to build a loading spinner by parsing raw token chunks to guess when a search tool is running, you are doing it the hard way. Building reactive UIs with streaming events solves this exact problem. Developers often treat AI outputs like a basic typewriter. They listen to a raw text stream and write brittle parsing logic to figure out if the agent is about to call a function. That approach is fragile. It breaks if the model slightly changes its phrasing, and it leaves your front end lagging behind the actual execution state. The OpenAI Agents SDK provides a structural alternative. Instead of waiting for strings, you trigger your agent using a method called runStreamed on your runner. This method does not yield plain text. Instead, it yields an asynchronous sequence of semantic events, each packaged as a runItemStreamEvent object. Think of a runItemStreamEvent as a precise notification about the agent's internal lifecycle. As the agent processes a request, it emits distinct, predictable signals. It tells you exactly when a new message is added to the thread. It tells you when control transfers from a triage agent to a specialized agent. Crucially for front-end development, it tells you the exact millisecond a tool invocation begins and ends. Let's apply this to a concrete scenario. You want your front-end to display a spinner that says "Searching Database" while the agent looks up a customer record. You call runStreamed and loop over the results. Inside that asynchronous loop, you inspect each event as it arrives. When an event comes down the wire, you check its properties to see what kind of update it represents. When an event indicates a tool call has started, you can read the actual name of the tool directly from the event payload. You don't have to parse any natural language. If the tool name matches your database search function, you immediately push a state update to your front end to render the spinner. When a subsequent event signals that the tool execution is complete, you dispatch another update to hide the spinner. These stream events also carry standard message deltas. If the agent is generating a long textual response, the stream emits chunk events that you append to the user interface. The architecture separates the raw conversational output from the semantic actions. You route the text chunks to the chat window, and you route the tool and agent lifecycle events to your UI state manager. This separation of concerns allows you to build interfaces that feel instantly responsive and deeply connected to the agent logic. You are reacting to the system's actual execution path, not guessing its intentions based on words. Here's the key insight. Stop treating your agent output as just a conversation stream. Treat it as an event-driven state machine, where every internal action is an opportunity to keep your user visually informed. Since this is the final episode of the series, I encourage you to read through the official documentation and try orchestrating these streams yourself. If you have ideas for what we should cover in a future series, visit devstories.eu and let us know. That's your lot for this one. Catch you next time.